Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will concentrate about this integration in here. So this one I can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to tan s square secant of s square. I will concentrate about secant of s to the power of 3. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have the u equal to 3 secant of s to the power of 3s tan s ds. dv, I will concentrate about tan s square secant of s square. So the integration of this one, we have v equal to tan s to the power of 3s over number 3. So how can I do this one? So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of s square ds. So this one we change by u, and we have u squared. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u we change by tan s. And this is the reason why we have this one. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So number 3 and number 3 we cancel, and now we just have this integration. And when we go back in here, we see that the integration of this one, that is about this one. Now this one is similar for this one, and this one cancel this one, and now we just have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.